Hello! Today I'm taking you on a health journey you never imagined. Do you constantly feel tired, irritable, or emotional? What about gut issues, skin problems, or even insomnia? Could all these symptoms have a common thread? Yes, your gut. Scientists are now calling the gut your second brain. This isn't just a metaphor, it negatively impacts mood, energy, and even decision-making skills. This video covers, I'll explain how the gut and brain affect you. The human gut is home to bacteria known as the microbiota. This complex ecosystem plays a crucial role in digestive and immune processes. However, new research is also revealing the profound impact this ecosystem has on mental health. The gut-brain axis, a two-way communication network, connects the gut microbiota to the brain, influencing mood, emotions, and even susceptibility to mental disorders. Physical and psychological interactions. 1. Common effects. If there is a problem in the intestines, for example, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, headaches, fatigue, and insomnia may occur. Stress in the brain can lead to digestive problems such as nausea, constipation, and diarrhea. Psychological effects. Depression and anxiety are directly related to the gut flora. Unhealthy gut bacteria can reduce serotonin production and negatively impact mood. If the gut is leaky, this can lead to inflammation and resistance. The importance of gut flora. Gut flora is a system that plays a crucial role in human health. These microorganisms play a role in many vital processes, from digestion to immune system function. A healthy gut flora protects the body against disease, increases vitamin production, and prevents chronic diseases. Disruption of the gut flora can lead to digestive problems, immune system deterioration, and various health problems. Let's examine the effects together. Immune system support. Intestinal flora contributes to a stronger immune system by fighting harmful microorganisms. Digestive health. A balanced gut flora facilitates more efficient nutrient digestion and absorption, leading to better performance. Vitamin production. Microorganisms found in the intestinal flora aid in the production of B vitamins and vitamin K. Protection against chronic diseases. A healthy gut flora reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. Psychological health. The connection between the gut and brain allows intestinal flora to influence mood and stress management. Factors affecting intestinal flora. Intestinal flora is comprised of many different factors, from diet to lifestyle. A healthy intestinal flora is critical for immunity and overall health. However, factors such as stress, processed food consumption, antibiotic use, and environmental toxins can disrupt the intestinal flora. Therefore, understanding the characteristics of intestinal flora is important to protect and maintain its balance. Food production. Consuming highly processed and low-fiber foods can harm the gut flora. Antibiotic and medication use. Unnecessary antibiotic use destroys beneficial bacteria and disrupts the gut flora. Stress and sleep patterns. Chronic stress and sleep patterns can negatively affect the gut flora. Environmental factors. Products containing pesticides and chemicals can affect the gut microbiota. International activity level. Regular exercise positively affects the gut flora. Examples of healthy gut flora. A healthy gut flora ensures the proper functioning of body functions and has significant effects on overall health. A balanced gut flora is characterized by regular digestion and a strong immune system. This balance not only improves quality of life, but also protects against chronic diseases. Regular digestion. The absence of constipation and diarrhea indicates good health. Feeling energetic. Having a healthy gut flora increases your energy levels. strong immunity. This indicates that you do not get sick often and that your immune system is strong. Healthy skin. The health of your gut flora has positive effects on your skin health and appearance. Reduced food intolerances or allergies. A healthy gut flora helps you properly digest and absorb food. A reduction in symptoms of conditions such as lactose intolerance or gluten sensitivity can indicate good gut health. Emotional balance. The gut, known as the second brain, directly impacts psychological health. A healthy gut flora makes it easier to cope with stress and anxiety. This is due to the gut's role in the production of the happiness hormone serotonin. Gut action mechanisms. Neurotransmitter production. Gut bacteria produce neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, which regulate mood, motivation, and anxiety. Imbalances in these neurotransmitters have been linked to depression, anxiety, and other mood disorders. Immune response. The gut microbiota influences the immune system, which also affects the brain. Chronic inflammation caused by dysbiosis, or an imbalance in gut bacteria, can trigger neuroinflammation, which contributes to mental health problems. Vagus nerve. The vagus nerve, a key communication pathway between the gut and the brain, can be modulated by gut bacteria. It plays a role in the neurostress response and mood regulation. Short-chain fatty acids, SCAs. Gut bacteria produce SCAs through the fermentation of dietary fiber. These molecules have anti-inflammatory properties and can positively affect brain function. How is gut flora disrupted? Antibiotic use, unhealthy diet, stress, inadequate sleep, and some diseases can disrupt the balance of the gut flora. Antibiotics, in particular, can destroy harmful bacteria while also harming beneficial bacteria. According to research, studies have shown that imbalances in the gut microbiota are associated with various mental health disorders, including patients with depression often exhibit altered gut microbiota compared to healthy individuals. Anxiety disorders have been associated with dysbiosis and low levels of certain beneficial gut bacteria. Chronic stress is believed to worsen mental health conditions by disrupting the gut microbiota. Research in neurodevelopmental disorders suggests a possible link between imbalances in the gut microbiota and autism spectrum disorder, ASD. Therapeutic potential. Understanding the gut-brain axis offers promising avenues for mental health treatment. So, is it possible to fix this? Restoring your gut flora is important for improving digestive health, strengthening the immune system, and supporting overall health. A balanced gut flora reduces the impact of harmful bacteria and supports the growth of beneficial probiotics. What can be done to restore your gut flora? Increase your probiotic intake. Include probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables in your diet. Consume prebiotic foods. Prebiotic sources like onions, garlic, leeks, and bananas support beneficial bacteria in the gut. Avoid sugar and processed foods. Excess sugar can lead to the growth of harmful bacteria. Consume regular fiber-rich foods. Fiber-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains support gut health. Drink plenty of water. Adequate fluid intake facilitates digestion and regulates bowel movements. Be mindful of antibiotic use. Try to avoid unnecessary antibiotic use. Exercise regularly. An active lifestyle regulates bowel movements and supports overall health. I can almost hear you asking, how can we avoid stress? Even if we can't, you can at least support your gut health by working on stress management. In summary, the gut and brain are constantly talking to each other. If this communication is healthy, both the body and mind are healthy. Intestinal problems can affect not only the stomach, but also the mind and mood. On the other hand, stress and mental health issues can have a significant impact on the digestive system.
That's precisely why small habits can make a big difference and benefit your health. Remember, let's reiterate a few small habits. For example, drink a glass of warm lemon water on an empty stomach in the morning. Consume at least 25 grams of fiber-rich foods every day. Eat slowly and consciously. A 30-minute walk is also very effective. Breathing exercises stimulate the vagus nerve and support digestion. Even just 5 minutes of meditation a day relaxes the gut-brain pathway. Our energy levels increase, and we feel more energetic. It protects our skin health and helps us stay healthy as we age. It strengthens our immune system and helps us resist disease. It balances our mood and helps us maintain a healthy body. What we eat, how we live, and how we feel are all dependent on our gut health. If anything I mentioned in this sounds familiar, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and follow me for more health-related content. Take care of yourself and your gut. See you in the next video.